How to buy Bitcoin in Singapore or Vietnam. This will be a quick tutorial on how to buy Bitcoin in Singapore and Vietnam. You can also use this platform to deposit and withdraw with Vietnamese bank account. The supported fiat currency are Singapore dollar and Vietnamese dong. But there are other platforms as well. The alternatives are Coinbase or Binance. For this quick tutorial, I'll be using Coinhako. First, you need to register at Coinhako. You need to fill in your legal full name, your email address, and your new password. Both passwords have to be matching. And then click on sign up. And then finally go to your email and click on verify email address provided by Coinhako. Make sure it's your legal full name during registration, or you might have trouble verifying later. And also, you must match your bank account. The registration link is provided in the description below. Might include other sign up or link inside the description. If you show any form of support, I will upload more videos on different matters, like how to invest properly, make more money, or any sort of tips regarding this platform. Before you could begin in this platform, you need to properly verify yourself. Unverified accounts have limitations. Verification could take as fast as 1 day, especially when there is no issue. You might want to get into buying Bitcoin as fast as possible, and to do that, you have to quickly verify yourself in this platform. Just after you register, just head on straight to verify yourself in this platform, and then you could start to do trading almost immediately. You will be asked to submit identification document or take selfie for verification. You might need bank statement not older than 3 months for adding bank account. These are the wallet and supported currencies in Coinhako, anywhere ranging from Bitcoin to ZRX. This is the performance of the currency over a period of time over here. You can filter it by 24 hours, 1 week, or 1 month. This is the About section, which gives you more about the background and the purpose of the coin. This actually gives you an idea of what are you trying to buy. This is the crypto news. What is currently happening in the crypto world at this moment. You can take this whole news with a grain of salt. You could trade Bitcoin or altcoins. Altcoins are cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin. The trading fee of buying and selling of every transaction is 1%. The trading fee is relatively low compared to other platforms. Over here, you can see the balance of the cryptocurrency owned. The one in black is the Singapore dollar equivalent of your cryptocurrency balance, while the light grey one is the crypto balance. This is the unit price for buying, which is in green in color, and this is the unit price for selling, which is in red in color. So the balance color in black, which is the Singapore dollar equivalent of your balance, is the overall amount you could actually sell based on the unit price for selling. And it is not the final amount because the transaction tax for selling have not been applied yet. So that means whatever balance you see there still need to go through transactional tax. Over here, you can purchase Bitcoin or any other currency with Sing dollar. The minimum buying amount of any crypto is about $30. You can pay with Coinhako or X First Balance. There is a 1% fee after you purchase it. After you purchase something like $30, you see something like $27 for the balance. That's because it is based on selling unit price, not buying unit price I mentioned earlier, and also the 1% tax being paid when buying. And you also need to go through a 1% tax second time when selling. Over here, you can sell Bitcoin or any other currency for Sing dollar. You can sell off to Coinhako or X First Balance. There is a 1% fee for selling as well. You can also swap between cryptocurrency, and there is also 1% fee for this one as well. Sometimes some currency can't be directly traded for. Bigger coins like BTC can't be traded from some other smaller coins. There might be some restrictions there. You can send your crypto over here. Just fill in the details here. Put in the receiver's public address or wallet address into recipient's address. Make sure it's not a private address, because private address should be only known to you, not to others. Put in the amount you want to send, that is crypto amount. So put in the crypto equivalent of Sing dollar. This is your crypto wallet address. This is the address you want to give to your sender. The sender will have to use this address as recipient address to send the crypto funds to you. There is no deposit fee when depositing into Coinhako fiat balance, but there's a withdrawal fee of $2 from Coinhako fiat balance, and it can take from 5 to 7 days to arrive to your bank account. Xfirst can be linked to Coinhako. Using Xfirst withdrawal service on Coinhako, you don't have to pay any withdrawal fee to send money back to your bank account. So sell off to your Xfirst fiat balance to withdraw money without paying any fee. You also can transfer Coinhako fiat balance to Xfirst fiat balance directly by pressing withdraw from Coinhako fiat balance, but there's a fee of $5. You need to go through some sort of verification with Xfirst, just like you did with Coinhako to create and verify Xfirst account. If you want to deposit, click on deposit on Coinhako fiat balance. Go to your bank account. Make a bank transfer to this Standard Chartered bank account found in this page. In the comment of the bank transfer, put in the unique deposit code found in your page. The bank account you use to make bank transfer must match the identity document you verified earlier. Please make sure the amount don't exceed the limit or you'll be charged some admin fee, and the amount will be returned to your bank account. Try to deposit by 4 p.m. If not, it will be processed the next business day. Slightly later, like 5 or 6 p.m. should be fine, and will be processed on the same day. Please do not use the unique deposit code found in this video. Only use the one provided to you. This number is different for everyone. You can click on copy on either the bank account or the unique deposit code so that you can paste into your bank transfer. If you want to withdraw, click on withdraw on Xfirst fiat balance to withdraw without paying any fee. So make sure to sell your currency to this fiat balance. You can withdraw directly to this bank account found on Xfirst directly from Coinhako. Put in the amount for request Xfirst withdraw. You don't have to pay any fee, and this can typically take up to 1 day. This is your wallet history of all your transactions made within your wallet. You can click on the minus to look at the transaction details. This is your trade history, all the crypto you traded with. Very useful feature. You can always go back to look at all the trade you made and see those fees you paid. You will still receive an email of the transaction. The amount column is the amount you paid with. The price column is the unit price you bought with, while the total is what you receive after the 1% tax. You can click on the inverted arrow to see the fee. The you spent column and the you got column is wrong over here. They are flipped around. Supposed to be other way around. Don't forget to log on to this platform every day. Doing so will earn you points that can be exchanged for rewards. And that's basically it. Hope this tutorial have helped you. Feel free to ask anything. I won't hate if there's any critiques here. You can support me in any other ways. I'll upload more videos by doing so.